Tebogo finds out that Tepisa is a student and she's pregnant with Libone's baby. Lisha and Libone are already at the PNP and Lisha is already uncomfortable. Kasa gets more complaints about his meat. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Lisha and Libone arrived at the PNP. It looks beautiful and Libone is excited. Lisha is worried with her. Why is it only one room? Is this room mine or yours? But there was a problem. There was only one available. But Lisha, but there's only one bed still. Ari, don't worry, now I'll sleep on the carpet when I will take the bed. Be relaxed, man, be comfortable. Lisha doesn't seem relaxed. They sit on the bed, jiggy when it tries kissing Lisha. Lisha feels uncomfortable. Like it seems like girl already white taller or naya guy. Like uyapila ufunani kahle because I don't know who's girl expected ukuzenzakani in a BNB with this old man because now she's looking all uncomfortable. Libona tries kissing her, saying you've got my undivided attention. But now girl is no longer comfortable. And then Tebogo gets a phone call from Tepiso. Tepiso says, I need to speak to Libone. He's avoiding me. Ariwena, you must get the message, man. You must leave him alone. Did he tell you everything about me? I'm pregnant with this baby. Ari, what? You pregnant? Yes, I am. And I also one of his students. And Tebogo learns what how. Musimwano ki student, ki ngwana. And then Tebogo tells Botsotso about this. Botsotso gets like Botsotso was shocked. Like he started fearing for Lisha's life. Immediately went to Dintle's house to try and find out who Lisha guy because he wants to talk to Lisha because now it's clear hey man Lisha is in real trouble. If there's a student, if one of his students is already pregnant, meaning this Libani guy is sleeping with his students. Goes to Lisha's apartment. Dintle says Lisha's not here. She went to Soweto. Do you have her number? Barrio, we don't have. But also then rushes to Soweto. Finds Madlomo. Lisha is not there. How? Madlomo is shocked. How? Most Lisha stays with her dad. That's how. They said she's coming here. Madlomo phones Unhloso saying, it's in phone Unhloso. Phones Unhloso. Unhloso was like, how Madlomo? Lisha said she's coming there, and she's supposed to be there already. Lisha's not here, and I haven't even spoken to Lisha today. Now they start to wonder what's going on. Oh, poor Lisha. Umadlomo, hey, when Nhloso, where I want my child. Where is my child? I want my child. Yeah, what did they get themselves into? Because if Lisha didn't have all these two homes, Madlomo would know where Lisha is. But now because there's two homes, kids get to do what they like. And then Tebogo decides, now I can't just leave this kid, man. Let me help her. Sends Tepiso a location and tells her to come over. And then Semide tells them, yes, and you need to listen to my advice, Katiro. I like having him here as an advisor. That what it was how Semide are you trying to fire us? What's happening? Because we thought we're doing well. And then Utere's over there trying to micromanage everyone, saying, Poet cannot work with his headphones on. Kiribone is worried that she can't have a cell phone. Now she's worried she won't get updates about her mom. And then she tells Uzi she cannot be wandering around the shop. She must sit at the till because that's her station. And then Uzi is like, hey, Safa, any positivism, nepotism, hey. And then Teresa tells Tapela, can you please just get something for Mama Kopechafela so that it can keep her busy? Tapela's like, nope, we're not doing that. Papa doesn't want her there. We're not going to go against his wishes. And then Oket comes. Kasa tells him, hey, when your meat has issues, I don't know, I trust my beef. My beef doesn't have issues. You must check your shop. Is it clean, hygiene? How is it fine? Hey, Basa Kuluma, this lady comes throwing meat at Kasa on the floor, saying, hey, when you're poisoning people. Now it clicks Kasa. So this is real. This thing they've been telling him, the thing that Mdara has been saying, the premise with the beef that he got from him is socially now making sense because he was refusing this whole time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.